Hey, Peter Janis here from Radial Engineering to tell you a little bit about the brand new Q3 coil EQ. You probably have heard of EQs like the Pultec that are, the holy grail of EQs. Coil EQs are really, really cool in that they do not affect our ears the same way as a traditional EQ. In other words, you can have very, very dramatic EQ settings and it sounds smooth and natural to our ears. It's got to do with the way the coils interact with the circuit. That's what makes them so cool, and they sound amazing. So we thought, hey, we've better build one of these things. So here you have it. You have a coil EQ in a 500 series module. This is compatible with every rack that's out there, no problem. Workhorse and all the competitors. Now, what's particularly cool about this guy is that unlike a traditional EQ that have high, mid, and low, with coil EQ, here in the Q3, we've actually got a series of presets. So what you have is 12 presets here in the highs, 12 presets in the mids, 12 presets in the lows. It's the interaction between those presets create additional curves. At the end of the day, you get over 14,000 variations. I know it sounds crazy, it's huge numbers, but believe me, once you start using the Q3, you'll find it very, very intuitive. You'll find a certain snare drum that you like is going to be, let's say, 3, 6, 9, and that becomes that setting of snare drum that you get familiar with. You get used to those combinations, away you go. Because a lot of these EQs are passive, there's a combination passive-active to create this type of coil EQ. You have a gain makeup, so you just turn that up to however loud you need, and away you go. Lots of gain on the output. Finally, we added, this was kind of like the last little piece of resistance, pièce de résistance, as they say, was a little shift key on each one of these. And what this does in each band is that it halves the effect. So if you've got a very dramatic peak that does something really cool on a banjo, it may not sound very good on a violin. So by using this shift key, you have the effect, and all of a sudden it increases the potential or the type of sounds dramatically. So very, very powerful. You'll love it. It just sounds amazing. Sounds great on bass, sounds great on voice, acoustic guitar. It makes it shimmer like you have no idea. So you'll love the Q3. Get a hold of your Sweetwater sales engineer. They can maybe talk to you about 500 series, how it can work within your recording system. I think you'll love it.